Back to my channel, All Things Yazz. I hope you guys are safe and well. In today's video I'm going to be going through how I achieve my soft, loose, beachy waves. I did a poll on my Instagram at All Things Yazz. Don't be afraid to give me a cheeky follow. Link will be in the description box. And 97% of you said you wanted a hair tutorial on how I achieved that look. So hopefully we're going to go from this to this. Okay guys, so whilst I've been in lockdown, I've been letting my hair dry naturally and only styling it a handful of times. So say I have 2 videos a week, I'd style it for one and then leave it natural for the second. And I have seen like an overall improvement in the condition, but I have to say I'm pretty sure this is from my conditioner, and I use Head & Shoulders Supreme Repair. I love this baby. It has argan oil in it and it works wonders for my hair. It really helps create this healthy sheen to the hair, and I really like that when I'm styling my curls. I like them to have like a nice sheen and healthy glow to them, so that really helps. I also use their 2-in-1 during the week. Well, I'll say every so often to really give my hair a deep clean, and I use a purple shampoo as well every so often, I'd say, just to make sure my hair doesn't go dull, because it does have some blonde in it. Definitely need a colour doing. Another thing that I use is the Prep Rally. This is great for priming your hair for styling. It also protects from heat styling and it acts as a detangler, which is perfect as my hair can be a bit ratty at times. But if you have wooden floors, be careful, because I sprayed this like with my hair flipped over, and obviously some must have gone on the floor, and all my life I literally went flying. My feet were taken up from under me and I was on my back and I was like, geez. So I use this when my hair is damp and mist it like a couple of mist sprays, just to help with heat styling. So in today's video I'm going to be using my GHD Oracle to curl my hair. Now obviously I know that not everyone's going to have this product, so let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do another video with my curling wand from Babyliss to create the same look. This guy, he is a time saver. Love this thing. I used to curl my hair in around about 30 minutes and it's not particularly thin, not particularly thick, so it's probably like medium thickness, my hair, and now it takes me around about 10 minutes. So this is why I love this thing so much. It also heats and cools at the same time, so in essence your curls are set straight away, which is a perfect. So let's give it a go. Bum, bum. When I'm curling my hair, typically I do it in 3 sections. So first section, I'm just going to go from the ears and section that out to create the bottom section. So once you've sectioned your hair, you want to just give your hair another little brush through. And then I've noticed that the GHD Oracle works best when you have smaller, less thick sections. So I'm going to take this section. I'm going to take the GHD Oracle. I'm going to kind of like, so say that's the front, I want the back bit facing up. I'm going to clamp that down and rotate and turn in a like kind of like a diagonal direction. And there you go, there's one curl. And I will brush this out at the end of each section. Again, I'm just going to section that up again. And I'll show you the motion again. So, bottom bit facing up, clamp, twist towards the back, and then pull down in a diagonal kind of direction. And there you go, kind of like a natural kind of like twist. Obviously, I think it's the more you rotate it, the more like ringlet the curl. The more curly, I should say. And let's do this last section. There we go. And then I like to brush it through straight away. And I like to work from about halfway down my hair for like a beachy curl. And I just like to separate it. So yeah, there we have the first section done. Right, moving on. This side is always the worst side. I hate doing this side. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. Go a nice little curl there. But obviously that will fall out a little bit when I brush it through. And there's another section done. You can see that, yeah, you can. So let's go in and section the second bit. So I like to like work from around about just above my temples there. So mid forehead, we'll say. Once I've sectioned that, I'll just put the curled section towards the back. And again, brushing it through before you curl it. I'll get a good look at my grown out highlights. Okay, and then I'm doing the same thing, but I'm going to start a little bit lower. You guys can switch up direction if you want. Personally, I quite like it when it's all going in one section. I just think that looks really pretty, and I personally like it when it goes like down like that, but you guys can do it all at the same height if you want. This is just my variation of a just gonna curl that section again, of a beachy wave. Okay, taking the top section now, let's put that to the back. And with this, I like to work from around about just under my chin and curl, but again, it's personal preference. Might have to go, I think it's probably because this is why this didn't curl, because it's quite a thick section. So if I take a tiny bit off, my camera stopped rolling, but yeah, I just sectioned that out a little bit smaller and it's curled a little bit better now. This is why I hate doing this side. Honestly, it's going to take a little bit more. We'll come back to that in a minute. There we go. Looks a little bit better. Okay, so that is the whole head curled. What I like to do is brush through with my paddle brush, but I'm just going to brush through this section quickly with my wet brush, and then I really like to go through it thoroughly with my paddle brush just to pull those curls down a bit, creating more of a soft look. I just think it looks really, really pretty. You must see what I mean about the shine. I feel like, maybe it's just me, I feel like the curls have a really nice shine to it. But this is my take on the beachy curl. I kind of liked it. I kind of like it pulled out more, but you can obviously go higher if you like with this. You can switch up directions, but personally this is how I quite like it. Next step, you could add some dry shampoo here just to really separate those curls, add a bit more texture to them. I'm just going to go in with a classic L-Net hairspray and just go from upwards just so it doesn't pull the curls down. And then I like to brush that through as well. without getting it in my eye. Okay guys, so that completes my hair tutorial on my take of soft, loose, beachy waves. Let me know in the comments down below whether you like this type of video. Comment if you'd like me to show you how I achieve this look with my Babyliss curling wand. Obviously I do understand not everyone's going to have the GHD Oracle. But yeah, let me know if you want me to do more hair tutorials. I think there is going to be a morning skincare and night skincare routine coming up soon. Stay tuned for a closet tour and a house tour coming soon. Stay safe guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.